guys, today's vlog we are in Phuket Old Town. We're going to have a look around, we're going to see what's here. It's a bit of a different sort of town really to usual. It's been influenced by Portuguese settlers about 200 years ago, I believe. So the architecture and the buildings should all be quite different as well. It's got a pretty European feel about it already, we've just arrived. So yeah, we'll see what it's like. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this Wally. If you're new to the channel, then I'm Ross and that Wally's Kate.
The funny one.
The funny one, yeah, alright, yeah. We're Kross Travel, we do tourist things and holiday destinations. So if you do like the content, click like and subscribe down there, it's all free. And ding the notification bell. Let's have a wander.
I will not bow down. Keep putting me off, I'm not gonna change my mind. Your head's strong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me, I'm not coming down, I'm not giving up. Oh, don't rush me, I made up my mind.
So today we are just going to take a walk down the main street here in Old Town Phuket. It's beautiful actually, the buildings are really interesting. And there's plenty to do in the streets, plenty of food outlets, shops, bars, there's loads of stuff. Wow, definitely the most expensive massage place we've come across in Phuket yet. It's a lot, 1,000. There's 1,100 there, wow. It's a lot.
Hey, what's going on now? Do you see what I mean? Nobody gives a damn. And still they bow down, just appeasing the game to the miserable ends off. You're not kidding me, no matter how hard you try. So just stay off. Come near and I'll leave, I'm just fine getting by.
Deep fried ice cream, 85 baht. That's not a bad price either, that's quite cheap. Oh, there's a beautiful breeze here. It's another absolute scorcher of a day as well. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Whew, 33 degrees.
Feels like 41.
So yeah, I found out what real feel meant. So when they take the temperature, they take it in the shade. So real feel is what the heat is in the sun. So right now, we're still in 44 degree heat.
But Lindsay did say that. Sorry, Lindsay.
So towards one end there is a fresh market, it says. I'm guessing it's a food market, fruit, vegetables and stuff. We'll take a look, see what's on there. shop there, none of this market malarkey. Also, one thing we did learn today is outside of our hotel, I'll put this in the hotel review as well, there's a couple of taxi drivers there that are trying to do the old take me shopping scam, try and sell you jewellery, and apparently it's really overpriced and they can be a bit nasty if you refuse to buy, so just bear that in mind. So, what's the toast? We found the Harry Potter themed cafe. Let's take a look inside and maybe have a drink. Let's have a butter beer. Yeah, that'd be great. I love this place. If you're a Harry Potter fan in Phuket, then you just have to come down here, have a butter beer, maybe a bite to eat, and have a look around this place. It's amazing, I love it. There's an outside area as well that'll take you around. So Kate's gonna have a Mai Tai, I'm having a butter beer, but with alcohol. It's got rum in it, I think. So yeah, it's just a variant, but yeah. 275 baht for mine, 250 baht for Kate's, just over 500 baht. I'll wait for Kate to come back as you can convert it for us. So my alcoholic butter beer is here and Kate's Mai Tai is here. I'm going to have to be quick because the syrup's dribbling down. Let's just get that off there. On that bit. Look. Here we go.
Disgusting.
It's a bit strong. I think it's nice. Bit of prod around. It's a bit strong though. But yeah, it's quite sweet. It's quite nice. I'm not usually a sweet person, but it's pretty nice. Do you want to try?
That's strong and lovely.
What do you think?
I like it.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's really, it's like a dessert.
It is, yeah.
It's lovely.
So Kate's just been to the toilet, so I've got to go and look outside apparently. So here we go. Oh, wow. It's amazing. Look at the windows, all wonky and that's fantastic. And then behind me, of course, is the one shop. I think it's supposed to be Ollivander's, but obviously for copyright purposes they can't use that name. There's actually movie music from the Harry Potter films playing here as well. It's the only music they play. But yeah, the place used to be called the Hog's Head, but they've had to change the name again. I don't know if it's down to copyright or whatever, but it is now called the Mad Hog Tavern. So 525 baht converts to £11.53. It's not bad. It's not a bad price. I mean, you're still paying more in Spain. It's one of the most expensive cocktails we brought here, but for the novelty.
No, it's not.
Is it not?
No, the Mai Tai
The Mai Tai in the coconut and the pineapple. Yeah, they were.
You pay for the novelty, don't
But
you?
yeah, you do pay for the novelty of having a butter beer with rum in a Harry Potter bar. So
You're loving it, aren't you?
I am, yeah, I'm living the dream.
Oh, good. We can go shopping after.
Excellent.
Let me live the dream.
You can live your dream, yeah. Yeah, we'll have to do the Harry Potter studio tour this year now as well.
Fabulous.
Can't wait. There's a lot of empty space here upstairs. I felt they could do something with that. I've just spotted a bit of artwork over here actually. Let's go take a look at that. It looks quite cool. Well, I was a massive child in there. That was amazing. We're going to carry on around Phuket Old Town now and see what else this place has got to offer us.
Way too real for me. Better just admit that I can't handle it. And when we're getting close, she strikes the perfect pose. It's too hard to quit, can't get enough of it. And I hear people say,
Tell you what I have noticed about the Old Town actually is that you find some really interestingly decorated places around, don't you? It's beautiful with all the flowers on the front there.
he's just a fool and she loves to play. I already knew she's forbidden fruit. I need to stay away. Run, 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 run. I'm trying to forget her, but my heart will never let her go. Run, run, run.
Why not? Let's have a look. It looks beautiful. Do you have to pay?
I wish I never met her. Trying to keep control, I gotta run, run, run. Ooh, yeah. She plays a dirty game, but who's the one to blame? Better just admit that I can't handle it. And when she hits me up, I know that this must stop, but it's too hard to quit. Can't get enough of it. And I hear people say, oh, he's just a fool and she loves to play. Ooh, I already knew she's forbidden fruit. I need to.
Well, that was beautiful in there, wasn't it? Yeah, well worth it. Give them a small donation as well. It's free to enter. A small donation can go a long way. Right, let's carry on down Phuket main road.
Stay away. Run, 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 run. I'm trying to forget her, but my heart will never let her go. Run, 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 run. I wish I never met her. Trying to keep control, I gotta run, run, run. Ooh, run, run, run. There ain't no other as beautiful, a crazy lover with attitude.
All the buildings on this street are so colourful, it's beautiful. Just take a look at that. There's also some more down here that I'll show you as well.
A lot of fun. I guess I better run. Oh, run, 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 run. Trying to forget her, but my heart will never let go.
Look at this dragon, it looks amazing. Take a look at this guy. finish today's vlog actually.
I think you might get a photo bomb or have a couple though.
Oh yeah. Congratulations to the happy couple. That is all for today though. That was Phuket Old Town and the Thailand's only Harry Potter cafe.
Which has the best aircon.
It's really nice aircon, and the drinks were good as well.
Yeah.
So if you're a big Harry Potter fan, head to Phuket Old Town if you're in the area, pay them a visit, keep them open. So if you like the video, don't forget you can like and subscribe down there, it's all free. Follow us on Facebook, ding our notification bell. See you next week. Bye bye.
Bye, mate.